Right, good morning boys and girls. Do-it-yourself cognac. Ingredients: 1 American oak spiral, 1 litre of the finest distilled spirits, 33 grams of walnut shells, 200 grams of prunes, that's all I had, should be 400, 50 grams of raisins. Mix and forget about it for a month. So we'll come back to this in a month and we'll see what we get. Well, there it is. The alcohol added was 40% alcohol by volume, and 1 litre. This is sort of double the recipes, except the prunes are much shorter than what it should have been, but we'll just see what we get. And this will sit for a month, and then I'll carbon filter it, then it can sit for another couple of months. Okay? Right, here's my cognac experiment. I can't take credit for this. It comes from a guy in Argentina. I didn't quite follow his recipe. Basically, I've got a litre of lovely spirit in there. It's probably, it's running 80 proof, I guess. So what we got in here is some walnut shells, some prunes, some sultanas, and a litre of good spirit, plus a American oak spiral. So, like I say, this is an experiment. My carbon filter, I cancelled that order and I've ordered another one, but he hasn't got any in stock, so it might be a week or two before that arrives. So that's where we're up to today. So I'll continue stripping some tobacco leaves and have a vodka.